The message that I am being called to share today, it just popped into my spirit. So a download. And there's this theme that I'm seeing where people are prioritizing other people's health over their own. Now, this message is very specific. It's very particular. I'm seeing those who are currently taking care of someone very dear to you, rather that's a significant other, a parent, a child, but more particularly, it's someone who's taking care of a parent or a significant other. And so to the point where, of course, being who you are, right, to this person, there is a level of requirement that you feel that you have to be the one to take care of this person, right? And I want to be very clear. This message isn't that you shouldn't help take care of this person. But when it starts to become to the point where you are neglecting your own well-being, that's when it becomes a problem. Because there's no badge of honor, right, that you're going to get for taking care of others to the point where you neglect taking care of you. Because the time that we are moving into, and where things are amping up, right? We're starting to see first stages of these things. We're moving into a very sovereign individual time where people have to be able to take care of themselves, right? People are going to have to be able to take care of themselves. This is why if you're paying attention, you are seeing that people are prioritizing how they're eating, moving their body, protecting their peace. People are prioritizing these things because the times we are moving into, it's almost an every man for themselves. Right? So when I say there's no badge of honor that you are going to receive because you are taking care of this person so much so that you aren't taking care of yourself, there's no badge of honor that's going to come with that. You're going to have to find the balance. To find the balance between showing up for them and taking care of you. Because if you don't take care of yourself, guess what? You're not going to be able to even take care of them. Especially some of you are a provider. Some of you are solely relying on your income to be able to take care of this person. And if you are not prioritizing your well-being, that stops everything. You cannot afford to be depleted. You cannot afford for you to be the one that's sick, because for some of you it's like, well, if you get sick, who's going to take care of you? This is why this message is so urgent. I want you to see this as a wake-up call. And remember, this may not resonate for everybody. This may not be for everybody. But those who I'm talking to, they know. You feel it in your spirit. This is your wake-up call to start prioritizing your well-being as well. You're being asked right now to find the balance because there's an imbalance right now. You're just going and going and going, and it's causing you to call into work. Some of you are still trying to work through it, and you just really in over your head. And in the midst of this, you're drowning while trying to keep someone else afloat. You're being asked to find the balance. Because, like I said, you cannot afford to be depleted. Because some of you, in the midst of taking care of this someone, you also have other people that are relying on you. You understand what I'm saying? You have other people that are also relying on you. And so it's very important that you remember that. And most importantly, you are relying on you. So find the balance in prioritizing your well-being, prioritizing your self-care, prioritizing taking a day where no one is bothering you if you can. You have to find that balance because right now you're spiraling. Right now you're spiraling and you're going nowhere fast. You understand what I'm saying? You're going nowhere fast. And so it's very important that you get centered within yourself right now because it's not looking good and it's not going to get any better at the rate that you are going. So please find the balance. This is what the Spirit needed me to say right now. I couldn't do anything else until I got this message out. Find the balance. Today is a good day to have a good day. Today is a good day to prioritize your well-being. Today is a good day to take a self-care day. Because if you aren't good, that stops everything. If you are not well, the money don't come in. If you are not well, this affects more than just the area of whom you're taking care of. This affects every area of your life if you are not well, if you are depleted, if you have nothing left to give, if you are trying to pour from an empty cup. And like I said, this message is for somebody. Maybe all of you, maybe most of you, maybe one of you. But you will know if this message is for you. There's no badge of honor that you will receive by dragging yourself to the ground. So please prioritize you. Whoever said it's selfish to prioritize you, don't fall for that lie. Don't fall for it. You need you more than anything right now, and you know it. So that's the message I have today. Let me know if this resonates with you. You guys know you guys can always find me on social media. Send me a message. We can chop it up. But remember, today is a good day to have a good day.